Thank you all for taking the time to come out. This is a very important event today. So today the Canadian National Electrical Trade Council, or NETCO, along with the Electrical Vehicle Infrastructure Training Program, EVITP, officially announced the launch of the first ever Canadian EVITP training and certification program for qualified electricians.
It's really important that all the different groups come together to push this program forward, because we see hurdles all of the time bringing in new technologies and new innovation. But if we have all the different players, all the different stakeholders coming together, it'll just make it more indicative. It'll bring it easier out to all of the communities around Western Canada, across the country.
This is green energy. We live in a beautiful province. And I'm really proud to see that we are the first to lead this forward with the Electrical Contractors Association in unison with the IBEW and NETCO. This is going to be the way of the world. So from electrical installations, it promotes work for our workers. It is the future for our young people.
Actually, this is the connector and the standard connector that's going to go into all the electric vehicles that are coming onto the market. So finally, right, all the manufacturers have agreed on one standard. And what this will do is we call it level 1 and level 2 charging. So one of the big advantages of going to the higher level, level 2, which is the 240 volt or 208 system, is that the cars will charge much more quickly. And so as a customer comes into your store and wants to get maybe 20 or 30 miles charged on their car while they're inside shopping in your business, one of the advantages is they can get a good charge in a short period of time. With something like this, it's going to take 8 to 10 hours. They're not going to get much charge on the car, and so we really want to promote the higher ampacity, higher voltage systems that are out there. That comes with some safety concerns, right? And so with that being said, what we want to do is make sure that all the electricians that are installing this equipment have some training in place, how to do it properly, and to make sure that this equipment goes into the larger infrastructure safely.
I think it is so important that we have qualified, trained individuals that do it right from the very, very start. So, it fits to the professionalism. They're qualified people that have gone to school, and we are a strong training center here. And we want to make sure that it starts here.
Well, Kelly, it's great to see you again, and I'm really glad you're in this class.
We are fully certified, we're fully licensed, we're fully trained. This is where public safety is going to be maintained, and this is where quality is going to be performed.